going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000.com doing another video on my #1 receipt scanning app. Just the amount of points you can get. I'm going to show you real quick how you can actually use this app to make money with, scanning receipts. You'll see here they have different brands you can choose from. They have them categorized, so you can click on it. You can kind of see a lot of them are just basically 10 points for every dollar that you spend. And just knowing the price of groceries these days, you'll spend a lot on groceries, so you might as well get a lot of points for doing that. Like I said, there's lots of different brands you can choose from. And just basically when you scan a receipt, if you have that brand on there, you're going to get even more points for doing that. So I'm going to go back to the home page, and you'll see here they have some stuff that's already on the front page, different brands you can buy, the amount of points you can get, 6,000, 3,000, 4,000. These are big points. You can kind of scroll down because they have lots of them. Just looking at them here, they're categorized as well, but these are kind of like their featured items that won't be there for long. They also have this game that you can play as far as getting more points. So I got 10 points just for playing that. You can play that game pretty much daily. That's scanning the receipt that I just did as well, 35 points for doing that. So you can just see here how easy it is. I'm going to actually scan another receipt so you can get kind of a better idea. Just making sure my whole receipt is lined up. You want to make sure the store, the total, and the date are all clearly shown. So I just went grocery shopping earlier, so let's see the amount of points that I get for this. And I got, let me see, when it finished uploading, again, I had a little game come up where you can actually get more points, but I think I already did that. So now it's going to give me my points, and I got 283 points for that. So that's just me scanning the receipt, some things that I bought at the grocery store. It's just that simple. You see now my balance goes up to 4,747 points. And with the rewards section, there's lots of different things you can choose from. You can actually win a PS5 on here with the sweepstakes. They have different retail stores you can visit. A lot of these, the minimum here is $3 that you can cash out on. That's the retail stores. They have different restaurants. The restaurants start out at $5. So you can kind of just scroll through and look at all the restaurants that they have on there. There's lots to choose from, so I'm sure something is on here that is in your area. You can also go down. They have cash cards. If you want to get a virtual Visa gift card, you need a minimum of $5 in order to get that as well. And they also have travel, airplanes, Airbnb, some cruises on here. So different things you can choose from in the travel department. So that's basically how this app works. Just get points, scan your receipt. For every receipt that you get, it's a minimum of 25 points. But when you scan it and it has brands that are actually on the app, you get even more points. So at the very minimum, you're getting 25 points. And they're affiliated with a lot of different brands. So you really should, pretty much every time you go grocery shopping or go to a store in general, you'll get an extra amount of points just because, of all the companies they're affiliated with. So I'll leave the link to sign up with this app in the description. It is completely free. Sign up today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies1000.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.